Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. And so you guys can see today I'm making jollof rice, and I really forgot to like start videoing. So I'm gonna explain, or I'm gonna go through what I did here. I leave my oil for a little bit so it can get warm, and then I put my meat inside. This is actually some beef jollof rice. There's no fish on this, so yeah, I just put my onions, and then everything else was boiled and seasoned and boiled a little bit. So I just fried them basically. Now I'm about to put my puree basically, like my pepper, tomato, what else I have in here? Tomato, onions, and bell pepper. So I'm about to pour this. Okay, so now I'm gonna put, I have two shrimp. Some people said you don't, Sierra Leone don't put vegetable beans in their jollof. I said you do if you want to, and I want to, so I'm gonna put some vegetable. So me, I don't know. This is the last touch. And that's how you cook jollof. Saline jollof with the beef. So guys, that's my jollof. You can cook it any type of way you want. Some people said you don't put vegetable on jollof or saline jollof, but I still do anyway. That's how it looks. Hope you guys enjoy this video. You know, when it comes to jollof, the most important thing is the krawo. For you people that don't know what's krawo, it's this thing right here. That's the best. Oh my gosh, that's like the bond rice under. Let me show you guys the pot so you guys can see. And that one I'm still gonna keep it because I have to get more of it out. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I missed you guys so much. I'll be back soon. Like, I'm back already, but it just take me time to upload video. But now it's about to go down soon. You guys just give me 1 month. I'm still here though, so I'm still here. But you guys just give me 1 month, then you guys gonna even get tired of seeing me upload videos, So yeah, let me go enjoy my food now. Yeah. That's some good oxtail right there. Oh my god. Until later, peace.